Recovery tools and technology have revolutionized how we heal, recover, and perform. From massage guns to cold plunges, these tools can accelerate recovery, reduce soreness, and improve circulation when used correctly. But to get the most benefit, it's important to understand how and when to use each one. Let's start with massage guns. These devices use percussive therapy, rapid pulses that help release muscle tension, break up adhesions, and increase blood flow. They're great after workouts or physical therapy sessions to relax tight muscles and improve mobility. The key is moderation. Use them for 30 to 60 seconds per muscle group, moving slowly and never directly on joints or bones. Next, foam rollers, a more accessible recovery tool that offers similar benefits. Rolling improves tissue elasticity and circulation while reducing stiffness. Using a foam roller before exercise can help prepare muscles for movement, and after workouts, it can assist in flushing out metabolic waste that contributes to soreness. Cold therapy has become a recovery trend, from ice baths to full cold plunges. The cold helps reduce inflammation, constrict blood vessels, and numb soreness. Short exposure, 2 to 5 minutes at around 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, is enough to get the benefits. It's ideal after intense training or injury flare-ups. Just avoid staying in too long, as overexposure can slow healing. In contrast, heat therapy helps relax tight muscles and improve circulation. Heating pads, saunas, or warm baths are best used for stiffness, chronic soreness, or during active recovery days. Alternating between heat and cold, known as contrast therapy, can stimulate circulation and promote faster healing. Compression technology, like compression sleeves or pneumatic recovery boots, works by improving venous return, helping push blood and lymphatic fluid back toward the heart. This reduces swelling and muscle fatigue. Many athletes use them post-workout to speed recovery and reduce soreness. Electrical stimulation devices are another valuable tool. They send gentle electrical impulses to activate muscles, improving blood flow and preventing stiffness during periods of limited activity. These are especially useful in rehab or post-surgery recovery. Infrared saunas and red light therapy are gaining attention too. Both use light and heat to promote cellular repair, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. They can complement traditional recovery methods when used consistently. Cold laser therapy and ultrasound treatments are often used in clinical settings to promote tissue healing at a deeper level. These tools can help reduce scar tissue formation and enhance recovery from soft tissue injuries. Finally, none of these tools replace the fundamentals: rest, hydration, nutrition, and sleep. Recovery technology enhances what your body already does naturally. Think of them as support systems, not shortcuts. When used strategically, recovery tools and technology help your body reset faster, feel better, and perform at its best, giving you a powerful edge in both healing and long-term performance.